You see what is going on in Jamaica? It's very serious. And I want to know if you look and see say, who not get buy out by money, who are stand up for the real true purpose in a Jamaica, I get a real fight. If them not fight you with visa, them fight you with police, or them fight you with contract, them try for you submit, them try for you suffer. So, I want Curlylox pay close attention to them threat. Because members are different from vloggers becoming the enemy of the government and public figures becoming the enemy of the government. The government did always have enemy in the ghetto. And all them get rid of the enemy them in the ghetto. Send police, go kill them. So you think say, if them feel like we is a threat, then we not send police to try kill we? Think about it. They wanna see it in America. Malcolm X, Martin Luther. Down in Africa, how much black leader them send police and soldier go kill. Some in a want twins of twin them take it for joke. I'm glad say him highlight it. So allegedly it's when twins of twins do the live a day and I beat Andrew per saying about the raise where the politician them I get. Him phone I get bombarded. People are calling brother and bag of thing and I tell him say yo, delete that else Ray. And ex-police tell him say allegedly Andrew have a problem with it. Well, me I gotta speak now. Over the years, me I highlight the people them and I tell them say Andrew is no good. I have had numerous calls as well. Zine, I have had numerous DMs telling me to go easy and watch myself and bag a thing. Zine, but you we're not afraid of that. We are for the people. So we're not afraid of that. Zine, but me get them called too. And me think me get way more threat than twins of twins. Me go as far as me get phone call and talking a DM with people from the Jamaica Labour Party. High-ranking members of the Jamaica Labour Party. So me don't want twins of twins them feel like a joke. Members say government are the most corrupt thing on earth, and because them have the police force and the army to them leisure along with gunmen in them respective constituency, and them have money can spend and the money overlook the mission Zine, because them want to derail the mission Zine, them not care if footer drop out where push positive energy based upon the people them benefit, or if twins of twins are push positive suggestions based upon the benefit of the people. Because them are go against the people and I rob the people them blind, them now want nobody highlight the people them and show the people them behind the smoke screen what them really are dealing with. So them, because of shame and guilt, we use the powers where them have to them disposal and make police kill you. Them will make police kill you and throw all gun by you or say you resist arrest and do back. Them do it every day. Locally, internationally, in every country, a so government got to work. We have seen where people speak against the Prime Minister and in less than 4 or 5 hours, police go pick them up and force them to apologize. So you think say if the Prime Minister feel offended and feel like yo, me no want that one I get locked up and apologize, move that one here. You feel like them afraid to move you? Think about it.